Ever wake up feeling like you're already behind? You're not alone. The second that alarm goes off, bam, your body floods with cortisol. You're in fight or flight instantly.
But what if you could flip the script? Give me 2 minutes, and I'll show you how to end morning anxiety for good.
Step 1. Light before screens. When real morning sunlight hits your eyes, it signals your brain to shut down melatonin and start a healthy, natural cortisol pulse. But if you're scrolling TikTok in the dark, you're confusing your biological clock and spiking your stress. Sun not up yet? Grab a daylight therapy lamp. 10 minutes sets your hormonal timer for the whole day. Step 2. The 90-minute caffeine rule. I know, but hear me out. Do not chug coffee right out of bed. Your brain is still clearing out adenosine, basically the leftover sleep junk from the night before. Pouring caffeine on top of that causes a hormonal traffic jam. Instead, start with mineral hydration, 16 ounces of water, a pinch of high-quality sea salt, and some lemon. This wakes up your brain and preps your adrenals. Hold off on the coffee for 90 minutes. It's a game changer. Step 3. The physiological sigh. We have to physically clear that stored tension out of your nervous system. Take a deep breath in through the nose, and then take one more quick sip of air at the very top. Then, let out a long, slow sigh through your mouth until your lungs are completely empty. Do this 3 times. It instantly offloads carbon dioxide, which is a massive, hidden trigger for anxiety. Fixing your morning isn't about doing more. It's about doing things in the exact right order. Sun first, mineral water before caffeine, and that double inhale breath to hit the reset button. Take your mornings back. If you want to heal naturally and master your health, hit subscribe for Vidi Remedy.